Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Top 13 food that is high in protein? So make sure to watch the full video. Protein is an essential macronutrient that serves many functions in your body. The recommended amount of protein is 0.37 grams per pound of body weight or 0.8 grams per kilogram. However, physically active individuals need 0.60.9 grams per pound or 1.4-2 grams per kilogram. Research shows that high-protein diets also aid weight loss. The simplest way to increase your protein intake is to eat more high-protein foods. That said, not all high-protein foods are created equal. Some of them are extremely high in this nutrient, containing almost nothing but protein and water. Here are 13 foods that are almost pure protein, comprising 80% of calories or more. 1. Chicken breast. Chicken is one of the most commonly consumed high-protein foods. The breast is the leanest part. 3 ounces, 85 grams of roasted, skinless chicken breast will provide you about 27 grams of protein and 140 calories. Some studies show that eating chicken on a high-protein diet can help you lose weight. However, the same benefits are also seen when beef is the main protein source. A chicken's nutrient profile is often affected by its diet. Pasture-raised chickens have higher antioxidant and omega-3 levels. Besides protein, chicken is a great source of niacin, vitamin B6, selenium, and phosphorus. 2. Turkey breast. Turkey is a low-fat source of protein. The breast is the leanest part of the bird. 3 ounces, 85 grams of roasted, skinless turkey breast contain about 26 grams of protein and 125 calories. Turkey is also high in niacin, vitamin B6, and selenium. It's likewise a good source of phosphorus and zinc. It also contains high amounts of tryptophan. This amino acid helps synthesize serotonin, an important neurotransmitter. 3. Egg whites. Like most other animal foods, eggs have high-quality protein that contains all the amino acids. Most of the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in eggs are found in the yolk. However, egg whites contain at least 60% of the protein in an egg. A 1 cup 243-gram serving of egg whites offers 27 grams of protein and only about 126 calories. 4. Dried fish. Dried fish is a tasty snack that comes in many varieties. For a high-protein, low-fat option, choose cod, halibut, haddock, or flounder. Just 1 ounce, 28 grams of dried fish can provide 18 grams of protein. Dried fish has many benefits. For example, it's also loaded with vitamin B12, potassium, magnesium, selenium, and other nutrients. 5. Shrimp. Shrimp is a great food to include in your diet. It's not only high in protein but also low in calories, carbs, and fat. 3 ounces, 85 grams of shrimp contain 12 grams of protein and only 60 calories. Shrimp is rich in selenium, choline, and vitamin B12. It also contains good amounts of niacin, zinc, vitamin E, and vitamin B6. What's more, shrimp contain antioxidants like astaxanthin, which reduces inflammation and oxidative damage. 6. Tuna. Tuna is very low in calories and fat, which makes it an almost pure protein food. 3 ounces, 85 grams of cooked yellowfin tuna packs about 25 grams of protein and only 110 calories. It's also a good source of B vitamins, plus minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. Tuna also has antioxidant properties due to its high amounts of selenium. Just 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, contain 196% of the daily value. Additionally, tuna is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation. Tuna tends to contain some mercury, but its high selenium content helps protect against mercury toxicity. Eating canned tuna once a week is likely safe. However, pregnant and nursing women should not eat raw, boiled, or grilled tuna more often than once per month. 7. Halibut. Halibut is another fish that is a great source of complete protein. Half of a fillet, 159 grams of halibut provides 36 grams of protein and 176 calories. Alaskan halibut is also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which makes it an effective anti-inflammatory food. Halibut is likewise high in selenium. In addition, it has good amounts of vitamins B3, B6, and B12 and minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. However, due to high mercury levels, you shouldn't eat halibut often. Whenever possible, buy halibut fresh from a local fish market. 8. Tilapia. Tilapia is a popular, relatively inexpensive fish. It is a white, freshwater fish that's a great source of protein yet low in calories and fat. One fillet, 87 grams of tilapia can pack up to 23 grams of protein and only 111 calories. Tilapia has raised some controversy given its higher omega-6 to omega-3 ratio than other types of fish, at about 1:1. Nonetheless, the amount of omega-6 in a serving of tilapia is not nearly enough to be a cause for concern. Tilapia is also a great source of B vitamins and minerals like selenium, phosphorus, and potassium. 9. Cod. Cod is a cold water fish with a delicious, flaky white meat. This fish is full of protein. It's also low in calories and has little fat. 3 ounces, 85 grams, have 16 grams of protein and only 72 calories. Cod is a good source of vitamins B3, B6, and B12, as well as omega-3 fatty acids, all of which provide benefits for heart health. Additionally, cod contains selenium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. 10. Quinoa. We think of quinoa as a grain, but it's actually a seed, which is why it's categorized as a pseudo-cereal. Quinoa is very popular in the wellness world. It's rich in fiber, folate, copper, iron, and zinc, and it's higher in protein than many grains. Quinoa is often referred to as a complete protein because it contains all 9 of the essential amino acids that your body can't make on its own. However, it actually contains insufficient amounts of certain amino acids, like lysine. For this reason, experts argue that quinoa should be considered a nearly complete protein. This may be of interest to you if you're following a vegetarian or vegan diet and looking to make sure you're getting all 9 essential amino acids. Regardless, quinoa is a good source of protein and is delicious in dishes like grain bowls, soups, and porridges. 11. Milk. Dairy milk contains a little of nearly every nutrient that your body needs. It's a good source of high-quality protein, and it's high in vitamins and minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and riboflavin, vitamin B2. Many people with lactose intolerance can't tolerate milk and other dairy products, and they avoid many dairy-containing foods. Fortunately, there's a variety of lactose-free products now on the market, including lactose-free milk, cheeses, and yogurts. Non-dairy milk alternatives, like cashew milk and coconut milk, can be a good substitute for milk in many cases, but they're usually much lower in protein and don't contain the same nutrients. If you drink dairy milk, including lactose-free milk, it can be a good choice to increase your protein intake. 12. Almonds. Almonds are a nutritious tree nut rich in essential nutrients like fiber, vitamin E, manganese, and magnesium. They're also high in plant-based protein. Eating almonds may benefit your health in several ways, including by lowering heart disease risk factors like high LDL, bad cholesterol, and high blood pressure. Try adding some almonds to plant-based meals like grain bowls and salads for a boost of filling protein and fiber. If you're looking to add more nuts to your diet, also consider pistachios and cashews. Both of these healthy nuts are also packed with protein. 13. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt, also called strained yogurt, is a very thick type of yogurt that's high in protein. It has a creamy texture and is a good source of many nutrients like calcium, vitamin B12, vitamin A, selenium, and zinc. Its slightly tart flavor pairs well with both sweet and savory dishes, making it a versatile kitchen ingredient. Try adding Greek yogurt to smoothies, soups, salad dressings, and baked goods, or just enjoy it with a bit of fruit and a sprinkle of crushed nuts for crunch. When you're buying Greek yogurt, opt for products that have no sugar added. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.